Hi friend, welcome to the IQ Boost. In this video, test your observation skills. Can you find the odd numbers and letters within given times? In the end of video, how many did you find the odd numbers and letters? Share your score in comment box. Are you ready? Let's go. Can you find 54? Are you focus master? Can you complete the all challenge? Time finished. Wow, first challenge easily find. Challenge your eyes find 463. Are you genius? Come on, legend. Time is up. Wow, you are fast, eyes. Next page, find the odd letter RM within given time. Sorry, time is over. Wow, quickly find. Please like. Nobody can find 97. Time finished. Wow, are you focus master? Next page, 99% cannot find 38. Time is over. Amazing, you are fast, eyes. Next page, only one person can find it. 36. The time is up. Wow, are you genius? Next page, test your eye speed, find 6V. Time is finished. Amazing, you are fast, eyes. Next page, are you focus master? The time is over. Well done, you are a focus master. Anybody can find 49. Come on, genius. The time is over. Well done, right answer. Next page, find out 53 within given time. Time is over. Wow, you are fast, eyes. Quickly find. Next page, spot the odd letter RC. Time finished. Amazing. Letter is find. Find the odd one out 138. Time finished. Only fast eyes can find 3D. Time is over. Are you genius can find 78? Test your observation skills. Challenge your eyes. Complete the all challenge. Come on, legend. Share your score in the comment box.